Decoding the phrase, cowbells. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into a fun and interesting phrase, cowbells. By the end of this video, you'll know what it means and how to use it in a sentence. Cowbells are, quite literally, bells that are often hung around the necks of cows. These bells help farmers and herders locate their cattle, especially when they are grazing in vast fields or mountainous regions. In many cultures, cowbells carry a symbolic significance. They might represent rural life, traditional farming, or even festivals. For instance, in certain parts of Europe, cowbells are associated with alpine traditions and can be heard in various celebrations and events. While the term cowbells primarily denotes the actual bell on cows, it has been used in various figurative contexts. For example, 1. More cowbell. This phrase became popular after a comedy sketch on the show, Saturday Night Live. In the sketch, a music producer demands more cowbell in a song recording. This phrase has since become a humorous way of saying that something needs more emphasis or excitement. 2. Describing a loud and clear sound or notification. Just as cowbells are meant to make cattle heard from a distance, the term can be used to describe something that's hard to ignore. And there you have it. From literal bells on cows to cultural significance and fun expressions, cowbells is a versatile term with rich history. We hope you found this explanation enlightening. Keep exploring the English language, and remember, sometimes what you need is just a bit more cowbell in your life.